So good morning, welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. So we have been discussing the chapter that is trigonometry from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana 10th class students. It may be applicable for CBSE too. So today we talk about how to express one trigonometric ratio in terms of other ratios. So let's have a discussion on that one. That's very important. That will be useful for a different competitive entrance examination too. So we shall have a discussion. Am I audible to you? Clear? Anybody? Good morning, Nandavardhan Reddy. Good morning, good morning. Okay. So today we shall discuss how to express given trigonometric ratio. Thank you, Srinivas. Clarity ledu. Trigonometric. Very good morning. Trigonometric ratio in terms of other trigonometric ratios. So we shall have a discussion. We talk about this one, this concept. This concept is very important. So directly proceed to the problem itself only. Right. Lakshmikant, Paul, Arshini Vardhan. Right. So first write down first question. Express sin theta in terms of tan theta. This is the question. How to express the value of sin theta in terms of tan theta? So let's have a discussion. So welcome Suresh. So first I will tell you how to solve it. So we need to express in terms of tan theta. So let us say this tan theta is equal to say t. The t can be written as t upon 1. Take a right angle triangle, say ABC, say this is theta, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, it will be t, it will be 1. Using Pythagoras theorem, you get 1 plus t square under root, this AC will be. Now we can find out sin theta in terms of tan theta. So let us write sin theta now. Sin theta equals to AB, opposite side, by hypotenuse, AC. So that is t upon root of 1 plus t square. T stands for tan theta. So this equal to tan theta by root of 1 plus tan square theta. So in this way, the sine theta has been expressed in terms of tan theta. So let us go for one more problem. Express cos theta in terms of cosecant theta. So anybody, what is the answer? Express cos theta in terms of cosecant theta. So now the solution, right? So we need to express in terms of cosecant theta. Let us assume, let us say cosecant theta is equal to something x or anything you can say x. This can be written x upon 1. So take the rough diagram, right angle triangle, say ABC. This is theta. Definition of cosecant theta is actually what secondary important questions. Okay, so now the hypotenuse by, this will be hypotenuse by opposite side. So that means this is x, this is 1. You need to find out BC now. See, the BC square is equal to, you can write AC square minus AB square. So AC square is x square, AB square is 1. BC will be root of x square minus 1. This will be root of x square minus 1. From this triangle find cos theta. See, the cos theta equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side means BC for theta, hypotenuse is AC. So BC is root of x square minus 1 upon x. What does x stands for? X is nothing but cosecant theta. Replace cosecant theta. Sri Nayak. This equal to cosecant square theta minus 1 under root upon cosecant theta. So I shall give one more question. You try yourself now. So third question. Express tan theta in terms of sin theta. Can you express it? Express tan theta in terms of sin theta. Sri Nayak, Nandavardhan, Suresh, Lakshmikant, Harshavardhan, Srinivas, Baji. Okay. So let us say this sin theta is equal to x. Now the solution follows like this. Let us say we need to express in terms of sin theta. So say sin theta is equal to something. Say x. This can be written x upon 1. This is, take the triangle now. Okay, say ABC. This is actually, as per the definition, say this is theta angle, opposite side by hypotenuse. So that means this will be x, this will be 1. We need to find B. So how to find out B means, sorry, BC we need to find out. BC equals to, we can write square root of hypotenuse square minus other side square, AB square. Let us substitute root of AC square. AC square is 1 minus AB square is x square. BC will be square root of 1 minus x square. So from this triangle find tan theta. So tan theta is equal to, by definition, what do you get? Opposite side by adjacent side. For theta, opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC. So AB is x upon root of 1 minus x square. What does x stands for? X stands for sin theta. Okay, Sri Nayak, you are present. So this is sin theta upon root of 1 minus sin square theta. Yes, tan theta has been expressed in terms of sin theta. So I shall give one more question to you. Fourth question. Express sec theta in terms of cot theta. In terms of cot theta. Okay, are you able to solve this problem? Express sec theta in terms of cot theta. See now the solution. So we need to express sec theta in terms of cot theta. So let us say cot theta equals to x. So this can be written for our convenience x upon 1. Take the triangle. Let us consider right angle triangle. Say ABC. Say this is theta. So now this is cot theta definition is actually what? Adjacent side by opposite side. So the BC is the adjacent side, opposite side is 1. So now you need to find out AC. So AC equals to root over AB square plus BC square. So that we get AC equals to AB square means 1 square 1 x square. This is root of 1 plus x square. So from this triangle sec theta we can find out. Sec theta. So let us find out sec theta. Sec theta is equal to formula hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse means AC, adjacent side means BC. AC is root of 1 plus x square upon BC is x. X stands for cot theta. So this is equal to 1 plus cot square theta root over upon cot theta. This is the value of sec theta in terms of cot theta. So I shall give one more question to you. Fifth question. Express cosec theta in terms of tan theta. In terms of tan theta. In terms of tan theta. It's very good, Nandavardhan Reddy. Express cosecant theta in terms of tan theta. You try yourself. Take a paper, pen, and yes, you try it yourself. Second year important questions has been discussed. They are available in the playlist. You go through the playlist. So now solution. We need to express cosecant theta in terms of tan theta. First let us say tan theta is equal to x. Very good, very good. Thank you, thank you. All the best, Nada. May God bless you. Hail Krypton. Tan theta equals to x. This can be written x upon 1. So take a right angle triangle. say ABC, this is theta, as tan theta is equal to here AB by BC. That means AB by BC, say this is X, this is 1. So now we need to find out AC. AC equals to root over AB square plus BC square. Good morning Lakshmi, welcome. So root of AB square is X square, BC square is 1. This will be root of X square plus 1. So that we need to find out cosecant theta value. So no problem. Cosecant theta equals to hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse means here AC is the hypotenuse, opposite side to theta is AB. So AC equals to root of X square plus 1 upon AB is X, but X is nothing but tan theta. Let us replace tan theta. So we get tan square theta plus 1 under root upon tan theta. Right. Sixth question. Express tan theta in terms of cosecant theta. So what is the answer? You try yourself. You need to chart. Are you there? How many of you watching this class? How many of you are watching this class? Just you need to respond yes or no, yes or no. You need to chart. Very good, Nayak. Akshay. Solution. Let us say cosecant theta equal to X. This can be written X upon 1. Rough diagram. Say theta ABC. Okay, this is hypotenuse by opposite. This will be X. This is 1. We need to find out BC. So BC equals to AC square minus AB square, but under root. AC square is X square minus AB square is 1. Root of X square minus 1. This will be root of X square minus 1. BC will be. So now you can find out any trigonometric value. Tan theta, let us find out now. So tan theta is defined as opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC. AB equals to 1, BC equals to root of X square minus 1. X is nothing but cosecant theta. So 1 upon cosecant square theta minus 1 under root. Right. Okay, now you are able to express one trigonometric ratio in terms of other trigonometric ratio. So now we shall switch over to the next concept. So we talk about trigonometric ratios of specific angles that is 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. So let's have a discussion on this one. Trigonometric ratios of specific angles, that is 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. So Nandavardhan Reddy, actually you are also correct. Why do you take back your decision? You need to chart your version also. Yes. Trigonometric ratios of specific angles 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay. First let us consider equilateral triangle. Let us consider an equilateral triangle. Say ABC is an equilateral triangle. 60 degrees. This is also 60 degrees. Obviously this angle also 60 degrees only. 60 degrees. So now draw the perpendicular. Drop the perpendicular. Say this is AD. Let us say side of the equilateral triangle AB is equal to BC is equal to CA equals to A units. Because equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. AB equals to BC is equal to CA is equal to A units. Obviously, if AD is the median, it may be altitude or it may be median also, D will be the midpoint. So that's why here BD equals to DC equals to half of BC. Half of BC means BC equals to A. This can be written A upon 2. So that means actually this is A. So this will be A upon 2. BD is A upon 2. This will be A upon 2. You take any triangle. This is actually, if it is 30 means this will be 30 degrees. 60. Total angle 60. This will be 30. This will be 90. Okay, now from triangle ABD we have AB is equal to A, BD equals to A upon 2, AD we do not know, and angle ADB equal to 90 degrees. That means it's a right angle triangle, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means you can apply Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem means is hypotenuse AB square equals to, we can have AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square. Okay. So now AB square equals to, we can write A square equals to AD square plus BD square means A by 2 whole square. Since BD equals to A by 2, let us have a simplification. AD square plus A square upon 4. Now AD square equals to A square minus A square by 4. So now 4 is the LCM. 4A square minus A square. You can have 3A square by 4. Now we need to find out AD, length of AD. AD is equal to root over 3A square by 4. So this can be written root 3. Square root of A square is A. Square root of 4 is 2. This AD is nothing but length of the, yes, Pythagoras theorem. Length of the median this is, or length of the altitude. Length of the altitude. length of the altitude of triangle ABC. Okay. Okay, now okay. So now from this triangle, separate this ABD. Separate this ABD triangle. Separate triangle ABD. So ABD triangle you will be getting like this. A, B, D. This A. This will be A upon 2. This is D. AD. This will be root 3 by 2A. This angle will be 60 degrees. Obviously 90 plus 60, 150. This will be 30 degrees. Now from this triangle we can find out all the ratios. Okay, now first let us find out first sine 30 degrees. Let us find out sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse BD by AD. So BD equals to A upon 2 by BD upon AB. Sorry, this is AB. BD upon AB. BD upon AB. A by 2 upon A. So A gets cancelled. We have 1 by 2. See, sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, definitely I will explain. Don't worry. Second is cos 30. Cos 30. After this one, I will go back to the previous page and I will explain Nandavardhan Reddy. Cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent side AD upon AB. AD equals to root 3 by 2 times A upon AB is A. A gets cancelled. We have root 3 upon 2. So now third you find out tan 30. What is tan 30 degrees? Tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. BD by AD. So BD is equal to, we can write half times A or A by 2 upon root 3 by 2 times A. A gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. So that will be 1 upon root 3. Similarly, you find fourth one is cot 30. Cot 30 is reciprocal of tan 30. 1 by tan 30. 1 by tan 30 means root 3. So fifth one is secant 30. Secant 30 is reciprocal of this cos. Reciprocal of cos. So 2 by root 3. Sixth one is cosecant 30. Cosecant 30. Reciprocal of sine 30. That will be 2. That will be 2. So my dear children, all of you remember sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Cot 30 is root 3. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Cosecant 30 is 2. Cosecant 30 is 2. Okay. Now, trigonometric values of trigonometric values of 30 degrees. So first, sine 30 degrees equals to 1 upon 2. Second, cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2. Tan 30. Tan 30 degrees is equal to, very simple logic. Sine by cos write down. 2 gets cancelled. 1 upon root 3. Next, fourth one. Cot 30 degrees. Cot 30 degrees is equal to reciprocal of tan. Root 3. Fifth one. Secant 30 degrees. Secant 30 degrees is equal to 1 by cos. 2 upon root 3. Sixth one. Cosecant 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon sine. That will be 2. I think clear. Trigonometric values of 30 degrees. Okay, now from this only let us find out 60 degrees values now. 60 degrees values. See 60 degrees values. Let me explain the 60 degrees values. See sine 60 write down. Sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2 a by a. A cancel. This will be root 3 by 2. Next, cos 60 degrees write down. Cos 60 degrees means adjacent side by hypotenuse. A cancel. 1 upon 2. So now tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent. 2 cancel. A cancel. Root 3. Now cot 60 degrees. Cot 60 degrees is equal to 1 by tan. 1 upon root 3. Secant 60 degrees. Secant 60 degrees is equal to 1 by cos 60. 2. Cosecant 60 degrees. 1 by sin 60. That is 2 upon root 3. So very simple logic I will explain. You see, all of you carefully observe. Sin 30 is same as cos 60. You check. Sin 60 is same as cos 60. Next, cos 30 is same as sin 60. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2. So now the tan 30 is same as cot 60. Secant 60 is same as cosecant 30. Sec 30 is same as cosecant 60. So that means actually here see sin 30 is equal to cos 60. Both are same. Because 30 plus 60 is 90. If 30 plus 60 is 90, both sin and cos will have the same value. That means actually you can write this equal to sin 60. So this we can write cot 60. So this we can write tan 60. So this we can write cosecant 60. This we can write secant 60 degrees. Okay. So in a simple manner also we can remember all these values. So simple way, easy way to remember, easy approach. Easy approach means ABC. This is 60 degrees. This is 30 degrees. See, this will be root 3 write down. This will be 1. This will be 2 write down. Now all the ratios easily we can find out. See, for example, sine 30 you see. Sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite side 1, hypotenuse 1 upon 2. Now cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. This will be cos 60. Now cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent side. Root 3 hypotenuse is 2. Root 3 by 2. Now sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to opposite root 3 by 2. So sin 60. Tan 30. Tan 30 equals to opposite by adjacent 1 upon root 3. Cot 60. Cot 60 is 1 upon root 3. So this is cot 60. Next secant 30. Sorry, cot 30. Cot 30 is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Root 3 by 1, root 3. Tan 60. Root 3 by 1. Tan 60. Secant 30. Secant 30 is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. 2 upon root 3. Cosecant 60. Hypotenuse by opposite. So that is cosecant 60. Next is cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. 2 by 1, 2. Secant 60. Secant 60 is actually hypotenuse by adjacent side, 2. This is secant 60. So with the help of this one we can find out. Now let us consider an isosceles right angle triangle. Let us consider triangle ABC. Okay, you draw the triangle like this. Say ABC, two sides are equal, say A. Okay, drop the perpendicular. This is 90 degrees you say. This is 45. Say this is 45. Obviously this will be 45. 45 means suppose this is A. Say this is also A. This will be A. The total 2A. BC side will be 2A. AB equals to BC equals to say A, and angle A is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. So now say AD. Let us find out AD now. This is a right angle triangle. So AD square equals to, we can write AB square minus BD square. One minute. I did mistake here. Okay. Okay, let us draw a triangle. Say right angle ABC. Say AB is equal to A, BC is equal to A. AB is equal to BC is equal to A units. Now AC we can find out. Srikanth Nayak, try to concentrate on the lesson. So we have AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So AB square is A square plus A square. This will be 2A square. AC equal to root over 2A square root 2A. Obviously this becomes root 2A. If two sides are equal, these two angles are same. Equal means obviously it will be 45. It will be 45. Now you can define all the trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees. First let us find out one by one. Sin 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. AB by AC. AB is A, AC is root 2A. AA gets cancelled 1 upon root 2. So cos 45. Cos 45 is equal to adjacent side BC by AC. So BC is A, AC is root 2 times A. AA gets cancelled 1 upon root 2. Now tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent AB by BC. A by A is 1. Cot 45. Cot 45 is equal to adjacent side by opposite side BC by AB. So A upon A, that will be 1. Secant 45. Secant 45 means hypotenuse by adjacent side. So AC by BC. Root 2A by A. Root 2. Finally cosecant 45. Cosecant 45 is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side AC by AB. So root 2A upon A. AA cancel root 2. Now what do you observe from this one? Yes, we observe that sin 45 is equal to cos 45. Tan 45 is equal to cot 45. Sec 45 is equal to cosecant 45. Sin 45 equal to cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Tan 45 equal to cot 45 equal to 1. Sec 45 is equal to cosecant 45 is equal to root 2. But in the examination you may be asked the questions like this. It's very important questions may be asked in the examination. First question. If sin theta equals to cos theta, theta is less than 90 degrees, then find theta. Sin theta is equal to cos theta becomes only theta is equal to 45 degrees. So now the solution you need to write like this in the examination. Given sin theta equals to cos theta, so divide by cos theta, you get sin theta by cos theta equals to 1. So this is tan theta equals to 1. So tan theta is equal to 1, you can write tan 45 degrees. Therefore, theta is equal to 45 degrees. This is the answer. Okay. Second note, remember all of you. Note, first point. Sin theta equals to cos theta or tan theta equals to cot theta or sec theta is equal to cosecant theta. In these three cases, obviously theta is equal to 45 degrees. In multiple choice questions or one mark questions, it may be asked. Sin theta is equal to cos theta, or tan theta is equal to cot theta, sec theta is equal to cosec theta, then we get theta is equal to 45 degrees. So tomorrow we shall discuss the more detail about the trigonometry introduction part. So if you know the more introduction about the trigonometry, this chapter becomes very easy, because in intermediate you have total more than 35%, 40% syllabus from trigonometry itself only. Right. Thank you. Bye bye.